Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and today we are talking about my top Vegas clubs. Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel, and I also want to say thank you guys so much for all the views and comments and just feedback from the last Vegas tips and tricks video. I honestly did not know you guys wanted to know so much and actually cared. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting that video. I felt like I had to make another video just for you guys, just because of all the love and support. And I do plan on making a Vegas planning guide for you guys to purchase. It'll be very, very affordable, just because I have been getting a lot of emails and I have been getting a lot of questions on like individualized trips and what to do, and a lot of the stuff that I've been responding to and helping you guys with is more or less the same. So if I just put it in a format, it'll be great. More about that later, but let's just get into today's video, which is all about my favorite clubs in Las Vegas. So clubs in Las Vegas are very similar but very different. I would like to think of the world as a integrated place, but after visiting Vegas a lot of times, I know there's places where a lot of people with my color frequent and a lot of people with this color frequent. So if you are my color, or like, you know, enjoying hip-hop music, just understand that Vegas is the EDM capital of the world. So you're going to hear some and like some EDM music, but if you're like, I can't take it, I need hip-hop music, the top hip-hop clubs in my opinion to go to are Drai's, One Oak, and Light. Now before anyone gets offended by me pointing out, you know, this color versus this color, I know it's very real. A lot of people ask me what are good hip-hop clubs. When I go with some of my friends, they get tired of hearing EDM. So I don't want anyone to take offense and say like music is music, color doesn't matter. I am just explaining it the most simple and easiest way I know how. With that being said, Drai's is probably the best hip-hop club in Las Vegas. It is so popular that it is sometimes very hard to get in for free. Hence why I have never been to Drai's. A lot of my friends have gone. I've been to Drai's after hours, which is like the party that starts at 4 a.m. and that one's pretty fun. But of course it was like 4 a.m. so how much more fun can you have at that point? Drai's nightclub usually has huge hip-hop stars. They've got like Chris Brown, Trey Songz, 2 Chainz, 50 Cent, all of that. Like that is where the big hip-hop stars go. So if you are planning to go to Vegas to hear hip-hop music, I recommend trying to find a promoter ahead of time, and you can simply do this by searching Vegas hashtags, Vegas promoter hashtags on Instagram, or just Googling them. I would try to find a promoter to get in beforehand, and then if not, I would just go ahead and buy my tickets ahead of time. That simple. As far as One Oak and Light is at Mandalay Bay. One Oak, I believe, is at the Mirage. If I am wrong, I will correct myself on the screen. Light, I really do enjoy going there. I always have a good time, and it's really simple to get in for free, ladies, because promoters are always looking to bring people there. Since it is located at the Mandalay Bay, you have to walk, or you have to travel, you have to cab further down the strip to get there. So it's kind of easier to get into that club, you know, on a guest list versus Drai's. And then One Oak, I haven't frequented One Oak in a while just because they had some drama in their LA club. So I decided I wasn't going to support it, but I have been there before, and it's pretty hip-hoppy. So if you are into hip. Alright guys, so those are my top 3 nightclubs for hip-hop. We will do day clubs in another video. If this video gets to 50 likes very soon, day clubs will be the very next video I post. But moving on to the rest of the clubs, I have notes here, sorry guys for looking down. Other clubs I highly recommend are XS, Hakassan, Jewel, which is at the Aria, and Marquee, and Amia, whatever one is at, I think Amia is at Caesar's Palace. Again, I will write all the stuff on the screen. As far as like which one to go to out of all the ones I named, you have to go to Hakassan. So Hakassan is actually really cool too because they have a hip-hop floor. They have like different levels. Hakassan I've been to in one of my Vegas vlogs. I'll link all the clubs that I went to in my Vegas vlogs below. But Hakassan is like a must go to when you visit Vegas. It's like a staple club in my opinion. Excess is another one just because of the vibe of it, especially if you go in the summer. Like they have like night swim, but that's more like pool parties, so we'll talk about that later. Or in the next video. But Excess has a really cool vibe because like half of it is outside and the other half is like inside, so it's just really fun to go to. But that one, oh, and they also have like gambling tables outside, so if you want to gamble you can, and it's just like really pretty and really spacious to be at. Granted, you don't go on a really crowded night, but that one is heavy EDM, so if you are not in the mood for it, I don't recommend. I would try going to Hakassan, and those are also two clubs that you can definitely get in with a promoter on a guest list. Ladies, guys, find a female. Don't be mean though, like don't just use a girl to get in, but find some girls throughout the day and try to get them to let you get on their guest list. Ladies, look out for guys like that. Just keeping it real on how to finesse the guest list. Marquee and Jewel. So Jewel I really like. I think Jewel has a good balance of EDM and hip hop, and again, it's another club that you can definitely get in on a guest list. Aria is really beautiful. Jewel's really nice. I do remember the first times it used to be called something else. Like comment below if you remember what it used to be called. But they have these lights, like these really intense strobe lights. I was like, oh my gosh, like I can't. I don't know if they've changed it. I can't remember if I've been back since they've changed the name. But Jewel I definitely recommend. And then Amia, heavy EDM. Like Calvin Harris performs there a lot, so if you're not into it, Amia is gonna be pretty heavy. And then Marquee's funny because you have to walk up a whole bunch of stairs to get there, and I was just kind of like, did I sign up to go to a workout class or to go to a club? Marquee is very nice though. It's just a really pretty nightclub, and it's, from what I remember, it was kind of tight. I don't know if they had a room closed or something, but it was okay. They played decent music. Okay guys, so out of all of those clubs, if I had to choose 3 to go to, it's kind of hard. This is literally not planned right off the top of my head. I would choose, I can't believe I'm saying this. One of them I cannot believe I'm saying, but I would definitely go to Hakassan, Drace, even though I've never been. I know it's gonna be a good time, especially if you can find a way to get in for free. So Hakassan, Drace, and Excess. I can't believe I'm saying Excess because sometimes it really gets on my nerves going there, but I think especially if it's like your first time in Vegas and you want to experience like a really nice nightclub and like see all of it has to offer, in my opinion, those are like the top 3 clubs to go to. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment box below, and let me know if there's any other clubs that you really like that I missed. I know there's tons of other clubs in Vegas to go to. I just chose my top ones. I'll link them all down below in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching and just supporting my Vegas vlogs. It is the most random thing, but like you guys really like Vegas, so do I. So I'm really thankful for you guys, all your questions, all your emails, everything. I'm really thankful for you guys. Don't know when I'm going to Vegas again, but let me know when you guys are. I'll be celebrating my Vegas love in spirit with you guys. As always, please be safe when you go, especially ladies. Watch your surroundings, watch how much you drink. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.